Hi, wonderful family. Welcome to another day in our pronunciation journey. So today we're going to be looking at these sounds. This is one of the homophonic sounds I talked about. So let's see them. Pronounce alongside with me. So I'm going to be pronouncing this over this, so we can see how the sounds sound alike, but looking at them, their letters are somehow different. Okay, so let's go. We have fun door, fun door, fun nail, fun nail, fun dance, fun dance, funny, funny, conduct, conduct, fungi, fungi, concepts, concepts, function, function, honesty, honesty, hungry, hungry, honor, honor, hundred, hundred. We have fondle, fondant, conduct, concept, honesty, honor, and we still have this side funnel, funny, fungi, function, hungry, and hundred. Did you attempt pronouncing this and were you able to pronounce them correctly? Let's see the section 2. So right here we have gone, 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 bond, 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 long, longs, long, longs, tone, 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 bone, 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 fond, 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 fond. So you can see how these sound alike. We have gone, gone, bond, bond, long, longs, tone, tone, bon, bon, fond, fond. Okay, but their meanings are actually different. Let's see section 3. We have unblock, unblock, unfailing, unfailing, unlike, unlike, unbonded, unbonded, unfreeze, unfreeze, unmerit, unmerit, understand, understand, undevelop, underdevelop, underdevelop, underage, 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 undersea, undersea, underground, underground, underestimate, underestimate. We have unblock, unfailing, unlike, unbonded, unmerit, unfreeze. We still have understand, underdevelop, underage, undersea, underground, underestimate. That is, unblock, unfailing, unlike, unbonded, unfreeze. We still have understand, underdevelop, underage, undersea, underground, underestimate. That is, unblock, unfailing, unlike, unbonded, unfreeze. We still have understand, underdevelop, underage, undersea, underground, underestimate. That is, unblock, unfailing, unlike, unbounded, unmerit, unfreeze, understand, underdevelop, underage, undersea, underground, underestimate. Let's see the fourth section. And we have phone, phone, mono, mono, oncology, oncology, bunch, bunch, lunch, lunch, punch, punch, munch, munch, brunt, brunt, blunt, blunt, sunrise, sunrise, punish, punish, bungalow, bungalow. That is phone, mono, oncology, oncology, bunch, bunch, lunch, lunch, punch, punch, munch, munch, blunt, 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 blunt. Remember, we have R and L, so we have blunt and brunt, blunt, brunt. We have sunrise, sunrise, punish, 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 bungalow, bungalow, bungalow. How many have you pronounced right so far? And if you're just joining us, thank you for stopping by today, and make sure to watch our previous video from day 1 till date. So you got to study all the sounds you've studied so far, and that way you got to level up to this extent. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being amazing. Thank you for being yourself. Thank you for being a participant. I believe in one way or the other you have been impacted. And thank you for stopping by today. See you soon on our next class, and stay safe. Bye.